Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Kenzie, and today we're doing rainbow jellies. Let's open it up. Wait a minute, before I open this, make sure you subscribe. More tape. I'm just gonna pop it. Here's the instructions. Okay. So this is the way how you do it. I'm gonna have to be working on this. So let's get started. Let's get started, everybody. Okay. Let's pop these things open. Okay. Here we go. Oh, okay. So let's get this out. Okay. So see this? You have to make it. So. And see this little hole? You put a keychain on there. It's the hair. It's the hair. Okay. Here's the one hair. And do another hair. Here we go. Oh, I like this hair. It's purple and blue. This one is yellow and purple. Okay. Gonna do this one. Big one. It's big one. Here's the poppies. You have to pop these, and then you can put them in here. That's what this is for. Do this, like that. And when you're done popping them, look it! It's a little what? Look it! Remember those hair eggs we found yesterday? Oh yeah? That's what this is for. It's a little brush. You can brush the hair. I don't have up the keychain. So here, you put this on right here when you're done, and then you can hang it on your backpack or anything, and etc. So I'm gonna do this one. So this one is pink and white. This one was purple and white. Do this one, I don't have. This one is green and white. Green and white. So they all come with white, and they're all like different colors. A little elephant holder. You can make an elephant. You can make an elephant out of this one. Make an elephant. This one open right here. I have an idea. Maybe another elephant. Oh, this one's a wagon. Okay. I think I have two wagons. My fox, I don't know. Here's another cutter. Okay, this one is blue and white. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of things in here. And open up another. Oh, here's a face. It's a face. No, a face. Okay, let's make some jellies. I'm gonna only pick, so I only picked two, and it's the unicorn and the elephant. So let's put these other ones to the side. Guys, so see this with a hole here? See it? And see these other two little holes? So these holes are going right here, and this hole right here, you put the hair on. The red hole. So shimmy this little one in. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Okay, I think it's in there tight and good. Okay, now we're gonna put in these in here like this. Okay, is it supposed to be like this? I think it is. Right, once you have it in there, like you close it, lock it. Now you take this, pop it first. I have to pop both of the colors first before I put it in, which is Oh yes. Once they're both pops, and they're both popped, you mix them together. Make sure you mix them together very well. Once you're done popping it, you put it in like this and push it in there until you hear it click. There we go. Then you just squish all the magic stuff in here. Squish it all inside your little ant. Okay, so you want to sit here for 45 minutes and don't take out this plastic circle. Just put it to the side and let it sit. And while that sits, we're going to be doing the unicorn. Same thing. Put the eyes in and the hand in also. Just like this. Now I have to pop the purple one again. Make sure you get all the magic color in there. Come back in 45 minutes when they're done. You guys have been 45 minutes. Now we're going to take these little things out. This one. Oh yeah. Okay. I thought this was an elephant, but it's actually a monkey. It's a monkey. It's a monkey. Hello, I'm a little monkey. Hello, here's over the purple one. Me take it out. Okay. Those are actual pieces. I was having a big feeling the unicorn would not work. But it worked. I don't know. Okay, do you know how the horn came up? See that little hole? That other hole made the unicorn horn come. That was so cool. They're so cute and adorable. Okay, so I really liked when we popped open the surprises and when we did when we had to put this in. It was really fun, and thank you for watching, and give me a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and that's the end.